Alright guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can be making money online just like this trading gold. Okay, you can see my result, you can see this is my trading history. Okay, this is my trading history. You can see my result. This is massive, brother. This is massive, this is massive, this is massive. Okay, all you need to do, just follow these 5 principles I'm going to show you. If you want to know the strategy I am using to learn my trade, just follow these 5 principles I'm going to show you right now. The first one is share this video, the second one is like this video, and the third one is comment. Okay, the fourth one is follow me on my TikTok page, and the fifth one is subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, that's all you need to do. Okay, for me to review this strategy I am using to win my trade. You can see this is my trading history. You can see here I made about $23. Okay, you can see this gold. I trade gold. Okay, I trade on gold. That is what I do. Basically I trade on gold because I know the in and out of gold. I know how to trade gold very well. That's why I stick on gold. Okay, so you can see this is gold, and this is my trading ID. Okay, this is the time I created the order, and this is when I close the order. I closed the order with profit of $23. Brother, this is huge money, this is big money. Convert $23 to naira, you see that this is big money. Okay, not just that, this I make you can see this is $30. Okay, this stay gold because I trade on gold, just only gold. And this is when I created the order. This is my order ID rather. This is when I created the order, and this is when I close the order. And I close the order with $30 profit. $30 profit. That is big money, brother. So this $41, you can see profit, $41 profit, still on gold. This is my order ID. You can see when I created the order, and you can see when I close the order, and I close the order with profit of $41. Just like that, just like that. I'm making free stress money. So if you want to know the secret, if you want to know the strategy I am using to make your own profit, to make your own earning, all you need to do, just follow the 5 steps I have shown you on this video. The first one is share this video, the second one is like this video, the third one is follow me on my TikTok page. Okay, and the fourth one is subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, the fifth one is comment so I can easily identify you. Just follow these 5 principles and you enjoy, you enjoy, you enjoy. You can see here I make $33 profit. You can see this is my order ID. You can see this the time I created the position. You can see when I closed the position, and I closed the position with $33 profit. The good part of it is that it's not even in naira. Okay, you can see that naira is is depreciating. So the good part of it is that it's not in naira, it's in dollar. Okay, you can see here I make about $41. $41. You can see this gold, this is my order ID, this is the period I created the order, and this is the period I closed the order, and this $41 profit which I made. There's one I made about $100. Yeah, you can see I made about $11.55. Okay, $11.55. Yeah, this is my order ID, and this is when I created the order, this is when I closed the order, and you can see this is the profit, $11.55. Okay, and this one is $16.60. Okay, all right. What? Yeah, this is it, this is it. You can see it, you can confirm it by yourself. This is $131. Oh my god, just like that I make a profit of $131. No, just convert this money to naira. You see that is a big money, it's huge money. So if you want to do it yourself, if you want to know how to do it yourself, all you just need to do is so simple, so simple. It doesn't cost you money, it doesn't cost you anything. Okay, it doesn't cost you anything. All you need to do, just share this video. Okay, share this video. That's the first one. The second one, like this video. The third one, comment so I can easily identify you. And the fourth one is follow me on my TikTok page, and the fifth one is subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel. The YouTube channel is name is Master Builder 247. That's the YouTube channel name. You can go to YouTube and search for Master Builder 247. That's the YouTube channel name. Okay, that's all you need to do for me to review the secret, the strategy I am using to win my trade. Okay, so thank you guys for watching and God bless you. See you in some other video.